Hey, so today we got a very interesting topic. We're talking about the business side of YouTube. Shout out to my boy Ethan, man. You probably single-handedly inspired this topic. You talked about it on the last call, and when I put the poll in the community, most people wanted to know about the business side of YouTube. Before we hop into it, what do I mean by the business side of YouTube? I'm talking about the background. I'm talking about things other than the entertainment, things other than what meets the eye. And what meets the eye is just the content. You know what I mean? A lot of people watch YouTube for the content, which is cool. But once you get monetized, once you start getting all of these different offers, it becomes a business, man. And you got to know how to navigate the business side. I wish I knew how to navigate the business side when I first started YouTube, because things would be so much different. But that's why I started the Community AB Academy. So everybody in here has a chance to learn before you really get in detail and in depth, because all of y'all is going to be in a position to make a lot of motherfucking money with YouTube. And I'm about to teach y'all the ways and how it navigates in today's session, man. So I hope y'all ready. Grab y'all notebook, grab anything y'all need, take some notes, because we about to talk about a lot of stuff right now, man. So to get into the table of contents, man, the contents of this presentation, first off, I'm going to show y'all proof that YouTube is more than what meets the eye. I'm going to show y'all proof. And all of these examples, I'm about to show y'all examples of real life situations that I'm in right now or that I have been in. Number two, we're going to talk about the ad revenue. If you don't know what ad revenue is, it's basically I explain it to people like this because all the time I'm outside and older people ask me what I do that don't know nothing about YouTube. I explain it as it's the new age TV. Advertisers pay to put their advertisements on our videos like a commercial break in television, right? So that's how I tell them. So we're going to talk about that. Number three, we're going to talk about sponsorships and brand deals. Sponsorships and brand deals, basically when people come, give you a set price, and they say, hey, market my product, I give you this much. Basically the same thing as number two, but they come directly to you. Cool. Number four, merchandise sales. And when I say merchandise sales, this can be anything from merchandise, physical products, digital products, anything in that nature. Number five, affiliate marketing. And this is a big one that a lot of people really don't talk about, which could make you a lot of money. Number six, membership programs. Number seven, top YouTuber secret. You know what I mean? I think this is the top YouTube secret and money maker on how to make money on YouTube that a lot of people skip past. A lot of people talk about 2 through 6, but they don't get number 7. And you have to get the number 7 before you can go to the 2 through the 6. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, because I'm about to tell y'all, I'm about to expose all the secrets, all the tips, all the tricks. And this is recorded. So if you're watching this on a live recording, man, shout out to you. It's okay that you missed it, because we got y'all. If y'all in AB Academy, we're going to give y'all all the tips, all the tricks. So without further ado, man, let's get right into it. First off, let me show y'all the proof. So every month of my life, I track what I make in total, right? So as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items right here. We got 8 items. Of course, I blocked them out. And as you can see, we got the dates on one side, we got the income on one side, and then in the middle, we got how much I got paid from it. If you know anything about YouTube, you know that YouTubers don't get paid until the 21st, right? Today is currently Saturday, May the 18th. YouTubers don't get paid until the 21st of the month. So how the fuck did you get paid on the 3rd, the 6th, the 14th, the 15th, the 15th, and the 17th? I guarantee you all of this is not from YouTube, but it is a byproduct of YouTube. And if I knew this when I first started YouTube, things would be so much different. That's why I'm telling y'all right now. So a lot of YouTubers, they navigate by, oh yeah, I get paid on the 21st. I make my content and get paid on the 21st. It doesn't have to be like that. You can get paid way more, and I'm about to show y'all today. So this is the proof. Number two, let's talk about ad revenue. Okay, cool. So like I told you, I'm about to expose a lot of stuff this video for y'all to really understand how this shit works. I got my AB Academy channel up here right now, and that's probably the channel that you guys are most familiar with. Ad revenue is the most common way for YouTubers to earn money. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, which is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Shout out to the community. Somebody literally just showed me in the DMs that they got monetized, man. And I took them through that whole process. So thank you for actually putting and implementing the steps. Shout out to you. But you enable monetization on your videos and earn a share of ad revenue generated by the ads displayed before, during, and after the videos. As you can see, I put this video up right here because this video earned me an estimated revenue of $75. How does this get calculated? You get a CPM for every video. CPM doesn't mean shit, as y'all know, because CPM is before YouTube's cut. As you can see right here, it says RPM. RPM is half of the CPM. So my CPM on this channel right now currently is $12. As you can see from right here, cut that in half is now 6.45 times 11.6 thousand views equaled up to $75. I got paid $75 for this one video. Now, let me tell y'all, you can go even more in detail. You can go even more extravagant. If you're really in this and trying to maximize all the bread you can do, maximize everything. Honestly, bro, with this channel, I'm not really tripping on it. You know what I mean? I'm really just trying to provide value, bring value the quickest way possible, not wasting nobody time. If y'all ever seen this channel, you see the videos real short, real bite-sized. If I wanted to, bro, I could make all of these videos so super drawn out, hella long, put hella mid-rolls in them just to try to like maximize revenue. But that's not my goal. As you're going to see from the bottom of this video, like when I keep going, you're going to understand like, wow, okay, cool. So let's not worry about all that right now. You know what I mean? And it's going to make a lot of sense. But a lot of YouTubers do it. They'll make a drawn out ass video. They'll hit you with 30 ads in the middle because inevitably it's going to make you way more money. But this money is honestly good money. If you do the math, if we can upload on this channel every day, getting a similar amount of views, and you get $75 a video, 75 times 7 times 4 weeks in a month, you know what I mean? So it's going to add up, you feel me? But if you want to, you can literally, I know people on YouTube that literally maximize everything for monetary gains, which is cool. I don't got nothing wrong with it, but honestly, bro, I just want to provide the value, get in and out. You know what I'm saying? You're going to see why I do that later. Okay, cool. That's ad revenue. Next, sponsorships and brand deals. Companies often collaborate with YouTubers to promote their products or services. This can range from simple shout-outs to dedicated sponsored videos or segments. As the channel grows, you may attract offers from brands looking to reach your audience. So, as you can see, in all of these examples, I'm going to give y'all really recent examples. Okay, cool. As you can see from this date, this is Thursday, May the 16th, 2 days ago. Today is the 18th. This was 2 days ago, my nigga. No cap. So I got a partnership and marketing manager. You feel me? And when I say a partnership and marketing manager, it's not like somebody that just works with me and me only. You feel me? This is literally a company that works with anybody that's gonna get some deals. You feel me? So once you guys, you know what I'm saying, work into the point of y'all videos being profitable and stuff, like I can easily be like, hey, so-and-so, I got so-and-so for you. They want to da-da-da-da. You know what I mean? Because I got a relationship with these people. They done made me money. I done made them money. You feel me? Because every deal they get me, I get them a percentage. You feel me? So if y'all doing good videos and y'all want this opportunity, it ain't nothing for me to send a play. So basically, hey, Avery, appreciate the chat earlier today. Excited to share the brand. Love your idea for the dedicated YouTube resharing cut down for IG stories just for more visibility. I was able to get the rate up to $6,000. So let me know if you're good to move forward and we'll work on securing a sponsorship. So basically what she's talking about from the chat earlier today, she called me and she gave me an app that wanted to work with me. And the app that wanted to work with me fits easily into my content. By the way, I don't do shit for just the money, bro. I only do shit if it makes sense. If this app had nothing to do with my content, this conversation wouldn't have went this far. They hit me with partnerships and brand deals for more money than this, but it made no sense for me, bro. And credibility is a big part of YouTube because if you lose that, you lose yourself. And you never want to lose yourself because I promise you, as long as you stay true to you, everything is gonna come how it's supposed to, right? So this brand kind of like correlates with my brand, you know what I mean? So we had a conversation. What they originally wanted, they wanted me to post like an Instagram reel, couple shorts, video. They wanted me to post like 5 deliverables. So I called her. I'm like, hey, I'm not comfortable with this. I really don't like to do things in this way, but I like the brand. I like what they're standing for. I think we can work it in this part of the content and we can do this. She was like, oh my gosh, that's crazy. Let me hit the brand up. She explained the brand what I said, and the brand loved it, as you can see, and the brand wanted a rate for this. And as you can see, all they want me to do is post a dedicated YouTube video